What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a cabin air filter. Now, I did review a cabin air filter, but it was for my Toyota Camry. This one will be for the Dodge Avenger. If you want your car to smell good, if your car have this stale smell and all of that, you may want to change your cabin air filter. And a smart thing that my wife did, she put one of those dryer sheets. You know the dryer sheets, right? So she put the dryer sheets onto the cabin air filter and the car smelled good. Air filter is dealing with the air that's going into your engine. And now you have your cabin air filter, which is the air that's coming inside of your car. And this is it. Let's see. All right, so it looks like the same thing, you guys. All right, the cabin air filter is right there. It looks like underneath of the dash. So there you go. All right. So the installation looks good. We definitely going to put this on today because I want to go ahead and just change it. You never know, might be bugs and all types of stuff. Like we found on our cabin air filter with our Toyota. And yeah, so if you want some fresh air in the car, you know, your kids are allergic to stuff, and all types of stuff, then, you know, you want to change out your filters. And yeah, catch y'all when we go to the car. All right, you guys, so we have the cabin air filter right here. We are going to go ahead and change the cabin air filter out on the Dodge Avenger. All right, so let's see if it's the same as the Camry when we changed out the Camry. So let's go ahead and get into it. We are going to go underneath of the glove compartment. And how do you take this off? Okay. Pull that out on that side. I'm one-handed on y'all today right now. Is that how you take it off? How you take this thing? Okay. Yeah, should be that. Take off this side. Take off this side. I think I'm gonna need two hands, you guys. All right, there we go. What else is stopping this thing? Something else is stopping me. All right, you guys, so taking this thing off was a little bit of a hectic, but you see though that this little clip right there was not really a clip, but it's a holder, right? It fits right in there. So what I did was just pull it right on out. Luckily I didn't break it, but it's funny that they have like a security cable on here. I think that's just funny. All right, so the cabin air filter, it looks like it's located right here. All right, that's what it looks like if it's similar to the Camry. So all right, you guys, so what we do is it's a little lever right here and it opens the door. All right, so there you go. You see where it says airflow. So it says airflow down. Woo! Look at this one right here. We got dust, bugs, and all types of stuff in here. That is dirty. That's what we was breathing in, you guys. This is what we was breathing in this car. Now, I said the airflow was going down, so let's see if there's a directional path on this. All right, you guys, so here's my little rig. If you want your car to smell good, definitely put dryer sheets onto your cabin air filter. If you could get the cabin air filter with the already plastic thing like I did on my Toyota, the Toyota cabin air filter, then that would be perfect. That way you don't have to block. I have to fix that, you guys. There goes Dodge for you. I know somebody going to dislike this because I blocked this, but it is what it is. I want this car to smell good, all right? So we are going to go ahead and put it back. And I have to get into position. This messed up, but it is what it is. We're going to shove it in there, all right? And that's that. All right, you guys, I clipped it back on. Sorry, I needed two hands. And The only reason why I'm on this side of the car instead of the other side is because we're working on the door right here. The door lock is jammed. All right. So if I hit the unlock button, it don't go up. If I hit the lock, it don't do nothing, you guys. So we have a jam and we are going to open all of this to fix it. All right. Now you're going to hear, I think it's the actuator make noise. Y'all hear that? That's like the worst noise in the world, you guys. I have to work on that. All right. Turn on. You guys, the air smells fresh. It smells fresh in here, you guys. Change your cabin air filter. I can smell the dryer sheets. All right, so that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.